This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
First, locate the iTunes backup folder on your computer so you can extract photos. On Mac OS, open the path /library/application support/mobile sync /backup/ in Finder. On Windows, open the path %appdata%bic/apple computer /mobile sync /backup/ in File Explorer. Inside, you will see one or more folders named with long alphanumeric strings. Each folder represents a separate device backup created by iTunes. Keep a copy of the backup. Next, use a dedicated backup extractor app to access photos quickly and safely. Install iMazing or iPhone Backup Extractor and launch the app on your computer. In the app, select the Discovered Backup folder from the list of available backups. Navigate to the Media Domain or DSIM folder inside the backup to view photo files. Choose Export, pick a destination folder on your hard drive, and start the export process. The app will save images as JPG or HEIC and preserve original timestamps when possible. For advanced users, manual extraction is possible but requires more steps and care. Locate the manifest, DB file and the media or 100 Apple folders inside the backup to map file names to photo files. You can use SQLite 3 or libmobile device utilities to query the manifest and export matched files. Always copy the entire backup folder before making any changes to avoid data loss. After extraction, compare the number of exported images with your expected count to confirm a complete recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.